Redditors who go into people's houses for their job. What is the strangest, creepiest thing you've ever seen or experienced? 1. I used to volunteer for a wildlife rescue and did a pickup at a very elderly woman's house where she had found a baby bird. When I got there, she carefully uncovered it from the towel she'd placed it in, and it was just a chestnut. 2. I'm a pool guy. I go into people's backyards to clean their pools. One week, it was a 4-day week due to a holiday, so I'm not going on the scheduled days. I'm cramming 5 days of work into a 4-day week. It's a hot summer day, and I walk into the backyard of this house, get through both gates, and I'm met with an odd sight. These two kids, maybe 14 or 15, are absolutely butt-ass naked, cuddled on a poolside recliner. I look at them. They look at me. I immediately turn around and they run inside. I see the owners all the time, but have never seen these kids before. Next week I go. The wife was outside and we started chit-chatting. I ask her if she's had any visitors recently. She says, no. I let her know that I saw some kids in her backyard and she cut me off. She says, yeah, surprised you haven't met them, let me introduce you.